cleaned that all up. And see if she'll turn over now that I got some gas in the tank. Looks like it's been about 10 years since the last time she was on the road. So give it a shot. Okay, I've tested it, she's got spark. We're playing fuel lines clear and everything, so I primed it a little bit. We'll see if we can get it started then. Try it again here. I fixed the leak on the fuel pump, just tightened down the bolts on that and the sealed up good again, so that's good, I guess, when you're sitting 10 years or so. Then I noticed I had a leak on the driver's or passenger side carb where the fuel line comes in. Somebody had stripped the connection there, but I was able to tighten up the main connection and then get the fuel line bent into the correct position again. It seems to have sealed it, so we'll see if that'll do it. See if she starts up. Been running for a good 10-15 minutes now. Seems to be running really good. No smoke. Looks like took care of all the leaks so far. Purring pretty good. Still need to bleed the brakes. She needs a good cleaning now that she's been sitting in the shop. Got a year or so of dirt on it, but do have a generator light on, need to check that out, make sure it's charging. Fuel gauge even works. Yay. Alright, well, I'm going to play with the brakes, see if I can take her for a spin. Okay, I'm going to take this thing for a little test drive. Seems like we got everything running fine. I have no brakes. I need to bleed the brakes, but I got an emergency brake, so we'll see how she does. See if she shifts and turns and does all that stuff. So here we go. This is the first time I've ever put it in gear. Whoop. shift pattern on it. Oh, reverses up and to the left. Got a heavy clutch, I must say. All right, no brakes. All right, and very little emergency brake. So, let's see what we can do here. First gear. We're rolling. Gotta figure out why my generator fan light is on. We're moving. Gas gauge appears to work. Speedometer's a little loosey-goosey. speedometer cable. Speedometer cable was disconnected or something. So we come back from our first test drive with no brakes. We survived.